Want to build Roblox games 10x faster? We're showing you the AI tools creators are using right now to automate scripting, design, and monetization. Let's go! Roblox game creation takes months. AI tools now automate scripting, asset generation, and game design. Freelancers using these tools earn 3x more per project. Whether you're building for portfolio growth or income, AI cuts development time dramatically. Let's explore the best tools available today. ChatGPT handles Lua scripting instantly. Paste your game logic, get optimized code. Midjourney and Leonardo AI generate game assets in seconds, cutting design costs. GitHub Copilot accelerates your coding workflow with intelligent suggestions. These three cover scripting, visuals, and productivity. Combined, they open ChatGPT, describe your game mechanic, create a jumping mechanic for Roblox. It generates functional Lua code instantly. Copy-paste into Roblox Studio, test in-game. For complex features, refine your prompts. This method eliminates syntax errors and accelerates development. Beginners become productive developers in weeks, not months. AI-created assets speed up game launch. Publish faster, earn from in-game passes sooner. Use AI for UI design, thumbnails, and marketing graphics. Small teams now compete with studios. Focus your time on game mechanics while AI handles visuals. This strategy maximizes revenue potential for indie developers. Subscribe for more AI tool tutorials that save creators time and money. Like this video and comment which Roblox game you'll build next.